What's up, guys? Welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. For my first video, I will show you my Mini-ITX build that I put together recently. Stay tuned.
For the case, I went with the Mini-ITX 5B. It was really designed for a much simpler home theater PC build, but I just love the size and simplicity of it. The goal was to build an extremely quiet and compact but still powerful rig. As you can see, the components are packed in there pretty tight. I removed the drive tray and mounted both hard drives on the front wall with some double-sided tape. For graphics, I went with the Quadro K620, which was the most powerful low-profile, single-slot, and PCI-powered GPU available at the time. And yes, I'm well aware that I could have gotten a more powerful card for the money. However, aside from League of Legends, MAME, and some emulators, I really don't play any PC games at all, to be honest. So this card works great for me. You'll have to excuse the wiring mess. There's really no good way to do cable management in a case this small. It's definitely one of the downsides, but a few more zip ties should help a little bit. For a small case, there is really good ventilation. I've had zero heat problems. Having an external passively cooled power supply is something that I really wanted. I hate fan noise with a passion, and this eliminated all of it. So that's my build. It certainly is not for everyone, but it's silent, small, yet still fairly powerful. I'll definitely be making upgrades in the future. Let me know what you think in the comments.